Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick 2025 tutorial I will show you how to create a board on Pinterest step by step. It is super easy, so without any further ado, let's get it started. First of all, you just need to open your Pinterest, then you just need to go or log in to your account. Now head to your profile by clicking here, just click over that place, your profile picture in the top right corner. Then you just need to create a new board. Just here you just need to click here the icon on the desktop. It usually near your saved pins. Here you will find out the create options. Just select this one and then click to the board. Once you click over here, then a pop-up will appear. Give your board name, like it I am going to give a name that will be home decor ideas, and then you can also choose to keep it secret, like keep this board secret. If you don't want to others to see it yet, just toggle the keep this board secret options and then just click to the create. Once you click over here, it will be created perfectly. So here you can see it already been created. So now you just need to add pins to your board. Once your board is created, Pinterest will suggest some pins. You can add this right away or search for your own pins using search bar. So let's go here and just go to the home feed, and here I will search home decor options. So here you can see these are the options, so I will click on up them. So I think this one will be quite good, so I will click over here, and here you can see our home decor ideas board already been created. Just click over here and it already been saved. Just go to that place, and here you can see that our home decor ideas board, under this we have this image already been saved. So and now I can say let's wrap up the video here, and that's it. Now you know how to create a board on Pinterest in 2025 and start saving all your favorite ideas in one place. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and drop a comment if you would like more Pinterest tips. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.